So anyway, so I have forever and ever and ever, probably 30, 40 years, loved the things that the company that is in Des Moines, Iowa make. It's called Sticks. The company is called Sticks. And forever I have wanted to have one of their dining room tables, but they are way expensive. And so I knew that I could never do that unless I won a lottery. But since I'm so tricky with the Oliver, when we ordered the Oliver, I thought, it's time to get my dining room table. So Chuck didn't know about this either. So as we were coming, so I ordered it and they worked with me and I sent them pictures of things that I wanted and things that we do and all that kind of stuff. So here's like the bridge for Chuck's bridge and our old golden retrievers that, you know, we had. And so anyway, so we, on our way to get our Oliver, we went through Iowa and I said, oh, by the way, I want to go to that Sticks place. And so we got to go on a tour of the place and see how they make all of these. They're all custom done, hand painted. It is absolutely phenomenal what they do. And at the end of the tour, the guy, John, he says, oh, and here's your table. And of course, again, Chuck looks at me and goes, oh, great, now what did you do? So anyway, so this is our table. We got to design it. It was really fun. So this is a kind of a special part of our Oliver. So.